back to our garden in a bright, cheerful day in, I suppose, early to mid-autumn, in October, late October. And I just wanted to point out this tree here. This is Cotoneaster. If you want its full name, it's Cotonester Hybridus Pendulus. It's a great tree for a small garden. A lot of people have kind of re-evaluated their outdoor space. This year in particular, I think gardens have been a great place for folks to kind of come outside, relax, enjoy nature, switch off, enjoy some peace, and see the kind of almost like the hope that comes from seeing plants grow and change through the seasons. And this year more than ever, I guess, is a year when we need some hope and some relaxation. But of course, growing trees in your garden, if you've only got a small garden, that can be a challenge, because you don't want a tree that's going to take over and swamp the whole garden and possibly even do some damage to the house which may be nearby. But this tree here, Cotoneaster, it's a compact, small weeping tree. This one has been in our garden for 17 years, and we could trim it back. There's a bit of a branch at the top there that's growing at a funny angle, but because the ground falls away from us here, that's not a problem to us. But what I like about this tree is that it's evergreen. Keeps its leaves all the way through the winter. Keeps its berries as well for a good portion of the winter, depending on how cold it gets. If it gets really cold and the birds run out of food, they will come and take these berries. Often we see the blackbirds sat on the top there in midwinter enjoying a feast. So you've got the berries in the autumn, you've got the leaves all the way through the year, really. And you have clusters of white flowers in spring. I would say probably late spring, May time, something like maybe even as late as June. And then after the flowers, you get these lovely berries, and they kind of glow in the sunshine. Very graceful tree, easy to control. So if there was a branch like this, you can see that one sticking out there, we could cut him back with my trusty Felco secateurs. In fact, I might just go around and have a look and see if there's any branches that need to come off. I'll tell you what, when I look at this now, this bit here is quite nice with the berries on, but I think I'm going to cut him off this shoot that's coming over and swamping my choicea here. I think I'm going to trim him off. Let's get my secateurs. There you go. So this portion here is the portion that we don't really want, so I'm going to cut him just up there by the berries. So we've still got the berries. There's another one there, look, we just cut him out there. So basically it's a case of you can tidy him up, give him a little trim as and when you see the need, and he'll just send out some more shoots from where I've trimmed there. We'll get more shoots that come down either side, and you can see that we're feeding the birds in there as well. It makes a nice kind of evergreen sheltered spot for the birds to come and perch on the tree, have some berries if they want, and then have some seed from our seed feeder. So a great tree for the small garden to give you colour and interest all year round. What more would you want?